The title explains it quite a bit, but this smartphone is an insane brick. 512 GB of storage, a 108 megapixel camera and a display on the back to start with. Not forget to mention the 12 gigs of RAM, an IP rating, an action button, all in a rugged design. And best of all, it doesn't break the bank. Hey everyone, it's me, Martijn, and this is the new Oukitel WP30 Pro. Before we discuss the big and heavy elephant in the room, let's take a closer look at the key features of the WP30 Pro first. This rugged smartphone from Oukitel has a captivating 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display, offering a smooth and visually appealing experience. Located at the top center of the screen, there's a punch-hole design for a not so impressive 20 megapixel front-facing camera, but it's enough for capturing some quick selfies. But the WP30 Pro doesn't stop there. It has something really unique on its rear. Pretty cool, right? You'll find an additional display surrounded by a flash and a collection of 3 mediocre cameras. Now, these include a 108 megapixel primary sensor, a 20 megapixel night vision lens and a 5 megapixel macro lens, ensuring you're well equipped to capture what's happening around you. What really distinguishes the WP30 Pro is the versatility of its rear screen. This screen can display a compass, provide real-time updates on your battery status, manage your music controls, deliver notifications and even keep track of your daily steps. It also serves as a handy viewfinder when you're taking great selfies with the powerful 108 megapixel camera. Under this hood, the Oukitel smartphone is a powerhouse, featuring the Dimensity 8050 SoC along with a generous 12 gigs of RAM and an impressive 512 GB of internal storage. Out of the box, it comes with the latest Android 13 operating system, although it's always uncertain with Chinese manufacturers what support you get over the next couple of months or even if you're lucky, years. In terms of software, there are a few interesting things they added in their tool bag. Easy Launcher, Sound Meter, Gradienter, Pic Hanging and so much more. Some are even more useful than others, and there are even some apps that I don't use, for example the mirror functionality. But hey, it's nice they included it. Now I also have to be honest, because I did get a few times an error message for my SIM card, even when there was no SIM card inserted. And now the elephant in the room, the size and weight. Because first of all, it won't easily fit in a small handbag for women, let alone stay in your jeans. And secondly, the weight. I like to browse in bed at night, but the phone is just too heavy with its almost 420 grams to use for a while with one hand. For those who demand durability, the Oukitel smartphone is designed to impress. With its IP68 rating or even IP69K rating and quite some nice certifications like the MIL Standard 810H, it ensures that Oukitel can withstand some various challenging conditions. Powering this robust device is a substantial 11,000 mAh battery, complemented by a rapid 120 watt charging capability. And remarkably, it can go from 0 to 50% charge in just 15 minutes, making it an exceptional and convenient companion. Use the Easy Launcher as mentioned before, and you'll be able to use the phone for multiple days without charging. If you decide to pick one up, the unboxing experience fits the budget of the phone. Nothing too spectacular, for example, but it does include the 120 watt charger. Next to the phone, of course, the USB cable is also found over there, and there's even some paperwork. I will leave a link in the video's description to the shop where I got mine from, and you can also check out the current pricing over there. Or check out this video over here. It's another phone with 120 watt charging, but it has its own challenges. Anyways, let me know in the video description, when would you pick a rugged phone? Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, so give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.